Hey guys, it is a cloudy, cold day in New York City. Pretty cloudy, pretty cold. We're back to winter. If you saw my other videos, they were videos when it was like 80 degrees. Now it's in the 40s. It goes up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down. Anyway, I am on my way to Saks. I'm in Midtown, Manhattan. I have to use a gift card that someone gave me. That was nice of them. And I'm going to show you my hat of the day. I usually do bag of the day. There's Saks behind me. I don't know if you could see it, but there's Louis Vuitton in the window. And that's Saks. That's one entrance. And there's another entrance. And it's closing soon, so I have to get in there. But instead of a bag of the day, I'll do my bag of the day. I'm going to do a coat of the day and a hat of the day. So here's the hat. It's a Chanel like beanie kind of thing. It's cute. It's good for the day because it's freezing. And my coat is just a pea coat. It's my Louis Vuitton wrap wool pea coat. And then, here we go. Bag of the day. So move it up here so you can see it. It is my Chanel mini flap in the dark denim with gold hardware, crossbody bag. I love it. It's beautiful. And that's my bag of the day. And here, you want to see it a little more? Those sides. I'll show you the side. And that's the front again. All right, I'll show you around a little more. Oh yeah, there's St. Patrick's Cathedral behind us. It's right across from Saks. It's a beautiful, beautiful church. Let me pan up there. St. Patrick's, beautiful cathedral. Look at the sky, it's beautiful. It's kind of dusk, so it's sun's down. But it's a beautiful, crisp, kind of wintry day. So, you know, what do you do when it's a little crisp and kind of cold? You go to Saks, and I'll spin around one more time. All right. I'll show my bag of the day again. Let me get it up there. Chanel mini flap in the dark denim with gold hardware once again. All right. I'm sure you had enough of me by now, so I'm going to go into Saks now and see what I can find. And as always, as you know, peace, love, and handbags, and Saks Fifth Avenue. Peace, love, and Saks Fifth Avenue. Take care. Bye-bye. Be good.